Welcome to ERP Industry Insights. Today we are diving deep into a world that blends molten polymers with cutting-edge digital control, the injection molding industry. And we're asking the question every production manager wants answered. Can your ERP truly control quality, reduce scrap, and deliver real ROI? Let's unpack how Odoo ERP makes it possible. So let's start at the ground level. The production floor, where milliseconds count, and one tiny fluctuation in barrel temperature or injection pressure can cost thousands in scrap. The reality: most molding plants run on legacy systems or disconnected spreadsheets that tell you what went wrong only after it's too late. There's no real time SPC tracking, no cycle time monitoring per cavity, no alert when a part weight deviates by even zero point 0.2 grams. Just batch level chaos. Operators are reactive, QA teams are overloaded, and management only sees the loss in the final rejection summary. So let's see what injection molding basically needs from an ERP solution. Injection molding isn't like discrete assembly. It's a high velocity, high precision, thermal sensitive process. What's needed is an ERP system that understands short to short cycle time variances, mold maintenance intervals based on actual usage, scrap categorization like shots, flash, burn marks, track to machine, and shift. It also should have OEE dashboards in real time, not end of day summaries. This is where a conventional ERP falls short, but Odoo ERP with its open source flexibility shines ahead of all these conventional ERPs. Now let's see how Odoo ERP tackles it. It should be the technical backbone for the injection molding industry. Well, Odoo's manufacturing module integrates seamlessly with quality control checkpoints, work centers, and maintenance schedules. Using real-time IoT integration or PLC synchronization, you can track actual shot count, cavity rejection rate, and machine uptime per SKU or mold number. Here's the magic. Odoo's quality control points can be configured for part weight deviations, auto fail if plus minus 5% tolerance is crossed, cycle time breaches beyond process capability limits, operator traceability with digital checklists and timestamps. Every scrap reason, whether due to sink marks, overpacking, or material contamination, is traceable to a shift, machine, operator, or even material batch using the lot and the serial number tracking. So no more guesswork, just precision accountability. Now let's see how scrap reduction is directly equivalent to the ROI. Let's be blunt. A 3% scrap rate on a 16 cavity mold running 24/7 translates to lakhs lost per month. But with Odoo's integrated analytics, you don't just monitor, you predict and prevent. Also, scrap trends trigger maintenance before it's already too late. With that, downtime alerts prompt the shift leads to reallocate production, and thereby material yield gets optimized batch-wise. The result? One of our clients saw a 28% reduction in scrap within 3 months of implementing Odoo ERP with custom SPC rules and preventive alerts. That wasn't just saving, well, it was recovered profit. Now let's see how we can build a smart molding line with Odoo. So if you want to future-proof your molding operations, then think beyond ERP. Think intelligent process orchestration. With Odoo, you can trigger maintenance requests after 5,000 cycles. You can alert QA if material humidity data is out of specification. You can even automate rework routing for defective bins. And when integrated with the manufacturing execution system, layered or IoT dashboard, Odoo becomes the digital nervous system of your plant, sensing, reacting, and optimizing in real time. So, what we conclude from that is that injection molding isn't forgiving. One bad hour can ruin a batch, but one smart ERP move can transform your factory. So, if you're still relying on reactive reports, it's time to upgrade to real time intelligence, quality enforcement, and scrap prevention with Odoo ERP. Because in molding, quality isn't optional, it's profit. Lastly, thanks for tuning in to today's ERP Industry Insights podcast. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. Till next time, it's adios from my end.